Chicken with orange, the perfect combination for your lunch or dinner. For this recipe, we are going to cut 500 grams of chicken breast here. Cut it like this here. Add it to a container and season it with 3 cloves of garlic. Half lemon. A spoonful of salt. A spoonful of black pepper. And also a little spoonful of pepperoni, but then the seasoning is to taste right. If you want to add or take something away, you can. Alright, now we're going to be reserving this chicken and cutting an onion into slices like this over here. In a frying pan, add a little olive oil. Add the onion that we chopped and sauté very well until it looks like this. When it stays like this here, we'll be booking next door. In another frying pan, add a little olive oil, add our chicken and fry the chicken very well until it is well fried. And guys, this recipe is super delicious and very easy to make. I'm sure everyone will love it. And let's reserve the chicken. In another frying pan, add 3 spoons of butter, melt this butter very well, add a spoonful of wheat flour. Move very well. Add 400 ml of orange juice, and stir very well until it starts to boil and stays like this here. Okay, now let's season with a spoonful of salt, add the onion that we sautéed, mix just a little bit, and now we're adding the chicken. Mix again, cover and cook for about 3 minutes. Alright, by the way, I'm going to be mixing just a little bit, and already adding green smell to taste and just stir. And our little recipe is ready. It was wonderful and super delicious. I'm sure everyone who makes it will love it. So if you liked it, already share it and see you next time.